Everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad Algebra problem, which is 2 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 5. What is the value of x? Now, let's prevent the solution from here. We have 2 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 5. So the first thing to do, let's take x on the right-hand side, so that here we have 2 to the power x. This is equal to 5 minus x. The next step is to divide both signs by 2 to the power x. Here, 2 to the power x. Let's simplify here so that we have 1 is equal to 5 minus x times 1 over 2 to the power x. Now, 1 over 2 to the power x, 1 over 2 to the power x, this is in the form of 1 over a to the power n, which we can express as a to the power minus n. Applying this property, then here we have 1 is equal to 5 minus x times 2 to the power minus x. Now, we can express this part as 1 is equal to, this is the same thing as minus x plus 5 times 2 to the power minus x. Now, if you check the coefficient value here, and the exponent here, and the power here, this is minus x. We have minus x. So, to make the coefficient the same as the power here, we multiply both signs by 2 to the power 5. So we have minus x plus 5 times 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 5 on both sides. So you multiply 2 to the power 5 on both sides. So let me write this as minus x plus 5 times 2 to the power minus x times this 2 to the power 5. This is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 5. The next step is that 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 5. This is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have minus x plus 5 times 2 to the power of minus x plus 5. This is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now, we can express 2 by introducing the exponent property that e to the power, that is to the natural log of a. From here, we can express 2 by applying the exponent property such that e to the power of natural log of a, this is equal to a. So this implies that e to the power of natural log of 2, this is the same thing as 2. So let's substitute where we have 2 with exponent e to the power of natural log of 2. So we have minus x plus 5 times e to the power of minus x plus 5 multiplying by ln of 2. This is equal to 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5, this is the same thing as 32. So here we have 32. The next step from here, let's introduce a natural log on both sides so that here we have minus x plus 5 multiplying by ln of 2 times exponent e to the power of minus x plus 5 multiplying by ln of 2. This is equal to 32 times ln of 2. Now we have minus x plus 5 multiplying by ln of 2 times e to the power of minus x plus 5 multiplying by ln of 2. This is equal to 32 times ln of 2. Now, if you check this particular part here, you can call this a, and this particular part here, this is the same thing. So you can call this also a. So let's introduce a very important property, that is the Lambert W function, which is w of a multiplying by e to the power of a. This is the same thing as a. Now, for example, if you have 3 multiplying by e to the power of 3, this is the same thing as 3. Now, applying this property here, we are going to apply this property on both sides so that we have the rampant W function of minus x plus 5 times ln of 2 times e to the power of minus x plus 5. Then we have multiplying by ln of 2, close the bracket. This is equal to the rampant W function of that 2 times ln of 2. So if we check this particular part here, which is a, is the same thing as what we have here. So this part and this part is the same. So by applying this rampant W function here, this implies that we have minus x plus 5 ln of 2. This is equal to the W function of that 2 multiplying by ln of 2. So the next step here is to divide both sides by ln of 2. So here we have ln of 2. Now let's simplify here. So we have minus x plus 5. This is equal to the W function of that 2 ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. The next step is to take, let's take 5 on the right hand side. So here we have minus x. This is equal to the W function of that 2 ln of 2 divided by ln of 2 subtract 5. So let's divide both sides by minus and also this side by minus, so that here we have x is equal to, this is the same thing as 5 minus the W function of that 2 ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. So this implies that x is approximately, this is 1.716. You can confirm this from Wolfram. You can check this from the Wolfram alpha by typing this equation here. You can type 5 minus the W function of that 2 ln of 2 over ln of 2. So this is the value of x. So kindly follow the steps, like this video. If you have alternative method, kindly share in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.